Hello. Good morning, everyone. So today we'll be starting our week three problem solving session. Uh, Myself, Dinesh, I am a PhD student IIT Roorkee, and these are the contents which already covered from one week and week two. That is introduction to waste and characterization of waste. In the last week, we have also seen the questions related to incineration and part of a gasification also. So today's will be covering the questions related to gasification and pyrolysis. So we so these are some set of questions I'll be displaying on the screen, and I'll give you 5 minutes to solve these questions. So you can write the answer in the chat box, and yeah, after 5 minutes we'll see the answer of these questions. Yeah, uh, get the answer of the our first set of questions. So we'll discuss the answers related to the all the questions. So the first question is what is the particle size and moisture content in entrant bed gasifier? So there are a different type of gasifiers, as you can see here: fixed bed, fluidized bed, bed, and plasma. So there are in the slides only. Uh, whatever the lectures you have seen on the portal, in that only I have taken this screenshot from the slide. So you can get the answer of this entrant bed size. So yeah, it's a particle size less than 1 mm and moisture content in 15%. So correct answer is C. You have mentioned A. This is the wrong. Another question was MDA, that is methyl diethylamine, is used for. So this is used in the solvent absorption. So basically to clean the syngas. So this is MDEA. It is used as a chemical absorption. So correct answer is B. Second B. So this is a chemical which is used as a chemical absorption, not as a physical absorbent. Third question was a Claus process. So as we know, this Claus process is used to recover the elemental sulfur. So correct answer is A. Fourth question was the identify the most suitable Fischer-Tropsch synthesis plant may be operated with. So Fischer-Tropsch synthesis is a synthesis which is used for the synthesis of syngas, synthesis of biodiesel from the syngas. So in this, you can see it is used with Fe or cobalt-based catalyst. So correct answer is A. So yeah, these are all the correct answers. So now let's move towards the second slide. So you can answer this, and for after 5 minutes, we'll see the answer of this. So let's see the answer of these questions. The first question is identify the most suitable option. Methanol synthesis from the carbon oxide and hydrogen. So as we know, syngas that is CO plus H2. It can be used in the synthesis of many different chemicals, organic chemicals. So it can be used in the synthesis of many chemicals. So the answer of first question, that is methanol synthesis from carbon oxide and hydrogen. So correct answer for this, as you can see, this is mentioned in your slides only. Methanol can be synthesized from syngas by using this copper and zinc based oxide. So the correct answer is A. Another question was for low temperature methanol synthesis, which process is used? So as you can see, it is also mentioned in your slides. Low temperature and low pressure methanol synthesis, these two methods are used, BNL and MF method. So this methyl formide and BNL. So C. Correct answer is C. SNG primarily stand for, so as you can say, SNG is a substitute natural gas. This is also produced from syngas only. The correct answer is 7B. Another question is what absorbent are used in a PSA for the removal of impurities from the gas stream? So PSA is pressure swing absorption. So pressure swing absorption. So in this, as you can see, it is also mentioned in your slide. You can use this different absorbent for the removing the impurities from the gas stream. So correct answer is adsorbent, silica activated, molecular sieves, activated alumina. So all these are correct. So 8B. So this is your next two questions. You can answer this question in the chat box. I'll give you 2 minutes for these two questions. So let's see the answer of this. The ninth question was identify the most suitable option for pyrolysis producers. So as it is mentioned in your side, pyrolysis is a technique in which we thermally decompose the carbonaceous material by heat in the presence of oxygen. So in the biomass, when it heated in the presence of in the absence of oxygen, it it can produce a char, bio-oil, liquid, and gas. So correct answer is B, char, gas, and liquid. Next question was identify the most suitable option catalytic pyrolysis aims to. So as you can see here, catalytic pyrolysis is operated at the atmospheric pressure with the wide variety of catalysts available. And in the catalytic pyrolysis, you can see it is the aim of cracking is to reduce acidity, viscosity, oxygen content. The first, another is increasing heat value and the produce low carbon chain compound B and C. So correct answer is 10th B. These are the next set of questions. I'll give you 5 minutes and we'll discuss the answer after that. So let's see the answer of this. The first question was the Selexol process uses Selexol solvent, a physical solvent which is made up of. So you can see here Selexol. It is a commercial name of primarily dimethyl ether of polyethylene glycol. So correct answer is B. Another question was percentage of removal of H2S achieved in the Rectisol process. So as you can see here, in the Rectisol, there is use of methanol as a physical absorption, and it can remove the 99 to 95 to 99% of H2S from the syngas produced. So correct answer is D. Claus process. So catalyst used in the Claus process for the recovering of elemental sulfur. So here you can see use is aluminium to oxide, aluminum dioxide. So correct answer is C, Al2O3. Next question was a shift conversion reaction taking place during the gas manufacturing. So this is the water gas shift reaction in which basically CO plus H2 produce H2O produce H2 plus CO2. So correct answer is C. This is water gas shift reaction. So let's move towards the next question set of questions. So these are the two questions. I'll give you 5 minutes and we'll see the answer after this. So let's see the answer of this. As you can see here, you have to match the following. So this is a water gas shift reaction. So you can see here there are different type of shift reaction: high temperature, low temperature, that is based on the temperature, and different other is based on the position of water gas shift in the flow shift and shore shift. So this is high temperature shift reaction. So what you have to do, you have to see the high temperature. So here 320 to 450, obviously it is a high temperature. Then low temperature shift reaction, so this is your low temperature, 200 to 250. Shift and shore shift. The switch shift, you can see it is take place after AGR. So shift take place after AGR, and shore shift take place after before AGR. So correct answer is A. Another question was identify the reactor A in the following. So this is your flow in which you have to find out which is this reactor. So as you can see, you have incorporated uh, given syngas here, and then there is a FT reactor who will produce the different type of biodiesels. So correct answer is Fischer-Tropsch reactor. Okay, now we'll move towards the next set of questions. These are the four questions, and I'll give you 5 minutes. After that, we'll solve this question. So let's see the answer of this. General formula of paraffinic hydrocarbon. So as you can see, there are different type of hydrocarbons, paraffinic, olefinic. So the question was the paraffinic hydrocarbon. So paraffinic hydrocarbon general formula is CnH2n plus 2. The correct answer is A, CnH2n plus 2. Another question is syngas feed is characterized by R value. So the desirable R value of methanol synthesis. So as you can see here, methanol synthesis, it is an exothermic reaction and the R value is around 2. So your R value will be 2. R value is basically a ratio of hydrogen carbon oxide by CO plus CO2. Next question is the conventional methanol synthesis technology use various catalytic adiabatic reactor bed operating temperature and pressure for this process. So catalytic adiabatic reactor, this is your operating temperature and pressure. The correct answer is 220 to 50, 5 to 8 megapascal. Last question was to find out the incorrect statement given below. So this is regarding the DME. DME has a high auto ignition temperature. DME is a very high C10 number, high oxygen content, and very low particulate. So you can see the property of DME. It has a high C10 number, high oxygen content, very low particulate emission, and it has low auto ignition temperatures, whereas it is mentioned high auto ignition temperatures. So incorrect statement is A. Okay. So now let's move towards the next set of questions. So these are the 4 questions. We'll wait for the 2 to 3 minutes and then we'll solve this question. So let's see the answer of this. Which of the following method of methanol synthesis employ as a homogeneous nickel catalyst and alkoxide in organic solvent? So as you can see here, these are the two methods, BNL and MF formation method. This is both used for the. So let's see the answer of this. As you can see here, uh, which of the following method use homogeneous nickel and alkoxide in the organic solvent for the methanol synthesis? So you can see there are two methods, BNL and MF method, in which you can see here use nickel catalyst in BNL method and alkoxide as a catalyst in the organic solvent, also used in the MF also. So correct answer is C. What should be the level of sulfur in feed gas for the conventional methanol synthesis technology? So the correct answer is less than 0.5 mm. The B. Thermal decomposition of carbon by heat in the absence of oxygen. This is the definition of pyrolysis. You can see here. Correct answer is C. The Fischer-Tropsch synthesis is. So you can see here, uh, FT synthesis is exothermic and it has an enthalpy of minus 180. So these are the next set of questions. We'll wait for the 5 minutes and then we'll see the answer of this. So let's see the answer of this. The first question is dimethyl ether has. So you can see the properties of dimethyl ether. It has a low autoignition temperature, high aceton number, high oxygen content, very low particulate emission. So you can see low autoignition temperature, high aceton number, high oxygen and very low particulate emissions. Correct answer is D. The question is, what is true about methanol synthesis? So this is a methanol synthesis process. You can see here. Here we use copper and zinc oxide as a catalyst. And first, methanol is exothermic. Yeah, it is an exothermic reaction. It is a favored at high pressure and low temperature. So yeah, it is a favored at high pressure and low temperature. The process operated at 220 to 250 degrees Celsius. So yeah, it is a right. This process is operated at 220 to 250 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is off. The operating temperature of Fischer-Tropsch synthesis is. So you can see this is the Fischer-Tropsch synthesis, and these are the different operating conditions. So here it is asked about the temperature, high temperature and low temperature. So you can see 325 to 370 and low temperature, that is 220. There is a correction in the slide. This is 270. So correct answer is this A. Temperature range of vacuum pyrolysis is, so you can see there are different type of pyrolysis, and for the vacuum pyrolysis temperature is 350 to 400. Correct answer is D. So now let's see the next question, set of questions. So we'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes to see the uh, I wait for 2 to 3 minutes to for your answers, and then we'll discuss the answers of these questions. See the answer of this. So let's see the answer of this. And an accurate smoky smell of pyrolysis by oil is because of. So as you can see here, these are the different properties and the reasons are given in your slides only. So this acid is smoky smell is because of the lower molecular weight and aldehyde in acids. So correct answer is D. Widely used for hydrotreating process for the upgradation of pyrolysis. So upgradation of pyrolysis by oil is done by this catalyst, cobalt molybdenum and nickel molybdenum. So correct answer is A. For the C, mode of heat transfer in circulating fluid bed is? So you can see here 80% conduction, 90% convection, and 1% radiation. Correct answer is B. Bio-oil yield for auger screw reactor. So screw reactor bio-oil yield is 30 to 60%. Correct answer is C. So we'll wait to 3 to 4 minutes for the answer from your side, which for this questions, and then I'll discuss the answer. Hmm. So let's see the answer of this. The application of biochar. So as you can see, biochar is used in as a solid fuel, fertilizer, activated carbon production, and used as an absorbent. Correct answer is D, all of the above. Combustion temperature range of fluidized bed gasifier for coal and petcoke. So fluidized bed gasifier combustion temperature is 900 to 1200. Correct answer is A. Suitable moisture content range for the feedstock for the gasification process with fixed bed. So here different type of gasification and moisture content is given. So you can see for the fixed bed 10 to 16%. Correct answer is D. Next question is following statements is most appropriate about methanol synthesis. So it is favorable at low pressure. It is a wrong. It is favorable at high pressure and low temperature. So correct answer is B. So let's see the next set of questions. These are the two questions. We'll solve this in 2 minutes. So yeah, for the first one, correct answer is dimethyl ether synthesis. So this is, as you can see, DME reactor also used. So this is obviously dimethyl ether synthesis reactor. For the second one, the gasifier. This is the gasifier. Here you can see you have enter the steam biomass oxygen from upper side, and your syngas is produced from the lower guys. So this is entrained bed. The correct answer is C. So yeah, let's see the answer of this in 2 minutes. So yeah, for the first one, correct answer is plasma gasification. Then another one. So you this is reactor is given. You have to find identify A and B. So as you can see here, uh, this is uh, this is DME producer. So here first you have introduced the CO plus H, gases. There is oxygen and the natural gases to the reformer. And here this is A. This will be your methanol reactor, because the first step is methanol production only. After that, this methanol will go through DME reactor and it will produce DME. So correct answer is B. So these are the four set of questions. We'll wait for 5 minutes and then we'll see the answer. So let's see the answer of first one. Fixed bed gasifier used for the gasification of coal and petcoke require a detention time. So as you can see, there are different fixed bed, different type of beds are used in the gasifier. So for the fixed bed, retention time is 15 to 30 minutes. Answer is 3A. First A. The pressure required for gasification coal in the entrained bed. So in the entrained bed, there are pressure requirement is 2.9 to 3.43. So correct answer is C. The overall water gas shift reaction. So you can see this is the first reaction. This is the correct one, water gas shift reaction. The liquid product formed from the syngas in the Fischer-Tropsch synthesis is. So here the answer is you can produce all these liquid products that are the biodiesel from the FT synthesis, all of them. So yeah, let's solve the next set of questions. We'll discuss the answers in the final. Let's see the answer of first. The Fischer-Tropsch synthesis reaction is, as we have already discussed, it is an exothermic reaction and it has minus 180 kg per mole enthalpy. Second, methanol synthesis from the carbon dioxide and hydrogen is usually achieved over. So this is also a repeated question, copper and zinc oxide. Another question is this is a thermochemical process that convert biomass and organic waste by application of heat in the absence of oxygen. So in the absence of oxygen, the biomass is converted. So this is the definition of pyrolysis. Last question is pyrolysis is the thermochemical process that convert biomass and organic waste into. So from the pyrolysis, we can produce all three: fuel, liquid, gases, solid, liquid, gases. So correct answer is D. So let's see the last set of questions for the today. So here you can see you have to identify what is this. So as you can see, here are the fluids which is circulating. So the correct answer is circulating fluid bed. And the last question is biochar produced in the pyrolysis of biomass and waste can be used as a. So the correct answer is all. Your biochar can be used on in all these three applications. So yeah, thank you for the joining. We'll end this session.